Inflation is a growing concern for many retirees, and it's something you can't afford to ignore when planning for your financial future. As living costs continue to rise, your purchasing power could erode over time, making it harder to sustain your lifestyle in retirement. So, how do you protect yourself from inflation? One effective strategy is to use alternative investments to safeguard your wealth. In this video, we're going to explore how you can use these investments to help protect your nest egg, especially if you're already retired or planning your retirement. But before we dive into that, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, check out the free guide linked in the description. It explains why thousands of Americans are turning to Gold IRAs to shield their savings from inflation and economic uncertainty. If you're a retiree with 100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even 5M plus in savings, this guide could be exactly what you need to make the right decisions for your future. Now, let's talk about the options available. Traditional stocks and bonds are common retirement investments, but they often fail to fully protect against inflation. If inflation runs high, the real value of those assets can diminish. So it's crucial to consider alternative investments, things like real estate, commodities, and precious metals. Real estate can be a good hedge against inflation because property values generally rise as inflation increases. Rental properties, for instance, can provide you with steady cash flow, and the value of your property may increase over time. However, it's not always an easy market to navigate, and it requires significant capital, management, and ongoing maintenance. Not to mention, it's not liquid, meaning you can't access your money right away if you need it. Commodities like oil, agricultural products, and precious metals also tend to rise when inflation increases. These can serve as a protective measure, as their prices often go up as the dollar loses value. Gold, in particular, is widely considered a safe haven investment. It has held its value for thousands of years, and when inflation hits, people flock to it as a way to preserve their wealth. This is where gold IRAs come into play. If you haven't considered a gold IRA, it might be time to look into it. A gold IRA lets you invest in gold and other precious metals, helping you diversify your retirement portfolio and protect against inflation. Gold IRAs also come with the benefit of being tax advantaged, as they function similarly to traditional IRAs in terms of tax benefits. Now, you might be thinking, why not just stick with the regular investment options? The reality is, those options simply aren't enough when inflation is high. They don't provide the same level of protection that gold and other precious metals can offer. Gold can be a much more reliable hedge when inflation rises quickly, and in the long run, it often outperforms traditional investments. Plus, with a gold IRA, you don't need to worry about storage or the logistics of owning physical gold. It's managed for you in a secure account. In comparison to real estate, gold IRAs are far more liquid. You can buy and sell gold in a gold IRA without the complications of managing a property. It's also far more accessible to retirees, with lower initial investment requirements compared to buying real estate. So, if you're looking to protect your wealth against inflation in retirement, a gold IRA could be one of the best moves you can make. It's safe, liquid, and a reliable hedge against rising costs. If you're unsure where to start, remember that thousands of Americans are already opening gold IRAs to secure their future. If you want to learn more about why gold IRAs are so powerful in protecting your wealth, check out the free guide linked in the description below. It's perfect for retirees with 100K plus in their IRA or 401K, or those with 5M plus in savings. This could be your opportunity to make an informed decision that safeguards your retirement from inflation. Take control of your future today and start securing your wealth with a gold IRA.